Jason Chapman here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Behind me is the 2021 Harris 230 Solstice. Right here, starting at the bow, this is a tri-tune. We do have a black coating fencing with black sapphire and platinum silver accent. Really beautiful boat. Got a really big electric powered bimini up top as well. And at the stern we have an extended swim platform and also a 250 horsepower engine by Mercury. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome to the interior of this 230 Solstice. Right here on the stern, this does have a ski tow bar for all your water activities, as well as a ladder that deploys for easy access in and out of the boat. Large center walk-through into this pontoon. We've got slate gray woven teak flooring and beautiful gray interior all around. Plenty of storage throughout the boat. Storage in here, and this pops up on a hinge as well. Lots of cup holders with that beautiful LED lighting. Got a couple of armrests here. Really comfortable seats that face backward, looking at what's happening in the water. Got a co-captain seat. Both these chairs do swivel. More cup holders as well. Nice big captain's chair with Simrad technology in all your tachometers. You can display your chart as well as your instruments and your navigation. Got a tilt steering wheel. Really great sound quality in this 230 Solstice with JL audio. Over here on the port side, this pops up. This curtain comes down for a changing room, and then we have more storage underneath here. Harris does a really good job with their tri-tunes, creating extra storage in the flooring. Plenty of room for your fenders, your cover, and here's your subwoofer. Again, more armrests that come down here. This can be moved anywhere you want really on the boat. And then let's check out the storage in the bow. So guys, come down to Rogers and check out this 230 Solstice by Harris.